Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to discuss about circumference and area of circle. Okay? Let's discuss circumference of circle and area of circle. Let's draw the circle here. Okay, let's say this is the center. Okay, and then the center from the circumference or we say perimeter. Let's denote by r, radius r. Okay, and this whole length it will pass to the center, and this is what we call diameter. Okay, this is diameter. This from this end to this end touching with the center point, this is what we call diameter of a circle. And from the center to the circumference at any, okay, we say in its radius. And we know that what from definition of pi, okay, pi, this is pi, and definition of pi is that from definition of pi is nothing but circumference over the diameter. Okay, this is definition of pi. Okay, and pi have some value. Okay, it is a constant. So this is the definition of pi. Okay, circumference, or we say in its perimeter. Okay, but in case of circle we say in its circumference. Now from this, since we are going to find out the circumference is equal to what, pi times the diameter. That's the diameter d. Okay, from this diameter, one is the diameter here, this is the center, since the diameter passed through the center from one end to the other end. So, and from the center to the other end, this is radius, and this length is radius, and this is also another radius. That means 2 times radius. Am I right? So which means circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, or pi into diameter. Okay, this is the circumference of a circle. Now let's find the area. Now I don't do in practical way, but you can try. Okay, you can try in your home. Now first of all, draw the circle. Okay, and mark the center here. Okay, from this divide the sector, divide it into a sector, a small sector like this, so that they are equal. Okay, they should be equal. Okay, let me represent this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, so that we will not get confused. Now take the scissor, okay, and cut this one, cut this, cut all this, the line one, and cut all them. Now join together them. Okay, join together again, and you'll get something, a figure like this. A figure like this. Okay, you'll get, if you arrange them, okay, you'll get the figure like this. Okay, you'll get figure something like this. This is all like this. Okay, let me draw it. Yeah. This is not considered. You'll get, when you arrange them, This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. Here we have 11, but let's take up to 10. Okay, and you have like this just like this one, and one is this. If you take this one, this part, okay, this part, you get the rectangle, isn't it? From this one, this corner to this corner to this, you get rectangle. But I'm going to use another way. And from this corner to corner to this to corner, one is this. This is something like this. Am I right? Something like this, isn't it? Which is one is this parallelogram, which what we call parallelogram. Okay, this is a parallelogram. Okay, this is a parallelogram now. And if you see here, this all line segment, this one where you cut is this one. Okay, all these are the radius, which means this one, this all line. This is nothing but radius. This is the radius. Okay, and one is this line, this and this line, this and this line is nothing but this part. Okay, this part, which means the circumference. Okay, but we divide into two, so the circumference will be half. Okay, half of the circumference. And since this is perpendicular to this one, okay, I mean this is, you can take now. Now area of circle. Area of circle is, since we divide into sector and we arrange them, then we get what? Area of parallelogram. Okay, we get the area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is what? Base into altitude. And what is base here? Base is the circumference. But this, if you join these two, okay, you get the circle back. So which means this and this are the circumference. These two, this up to this, and this is the circumference. Okay, which means this divide into half. They mean half of the circumference. Which means base is half of circumference. Circumference means 2 pi r. Okay, and one is the altitude. This is perpendicular to this base, so this is nothing but all these things, like this one. One is this is nothing but the radius. Okay, now these two will cancel, so we get pi r square. So area of circle is what? Pi r square. So this is our proof.